Imagine this. You're on a mission, and your body is your superhero. It's already working hard every day to keep you healthy. But what if you could give it a little boost to help it do its job even better? That's exactly what we're talking about today. In this video, you'll learn how to naturally detox your body in just 24 hours with simple, science-backed steps. And don't worry, everything we share is supported by real clinical studies, so you can trust the information. Make sure to check the description below for all the sources. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your health routine. Let's dive in. Number 1. Drink plenty of water. Imagine water as a magical river flowing through your body, washing away waste and keeping everything running smoothly. Drinking enough water helps your body remove waste through urine, sweat, and bowel movements. Staying hydrated ensures these processes work properly. According to Healthline, drinking enough water is crucial for removing waste products from your blood. Number 2. Get a good night's sleep. Think of sleep as your body's nightly cleaning crew. While you sleep, your brain removes waste products that build up during the day. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a buildup of these wastes, which isn't good for your health. Healthline explains that adequate sleep allows your brain to reorganize, recharge, and eliminate toxins that accumulate throughout the day. Number 3. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants are like tiny superheroes that protect your cells from damage. They're found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even coffee and green tea. They help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, which can cause damage to your cells. Healthline notes that consuming a diet rich in antioxidants helps your body reduce damage caused by free radicals and may lower your risk of diseases that can impact detoxification. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is like giving your body's cleaning crew a boost of energy. Regular physical activity helps reduce inflammation and allows your body's systems to work properly. Healthline recommends aiming for at least 150 to 300 minutes a week of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, or 75 to 150 minutes a week of vigorous intensity physical activity, such as running. Number 5. Limit sugar and processed foods. Eating too much sugar and processed foods is like throwing a wrench into your body's machinery. It can lead to health problems like obesity and diabetes, which can harm organs important for detoxifying, such as your liver and kidneys. Healthline points out that excess junk food consumption is linked to chronic diseases that can harm these vital organs. Number 6. Reduce salt intake. Too much salt can cause your body to hold on to excess water, leading to bloating. By drinking more water and eating potassium-rich foods like bananas and spinach, you can help your body get rid of the extra water. Healthline explains that consuming too much salt can increase water retention, and you can eliminate excess water by increasing your intake of water and potassium-rich foods. Number 7. Avoid detox fads. You might have heard about special diets or products that claim to detoxify your body. However, there's no scientific evidence supporting these claims. According to a 2015 review of clinical evidence, at present, there is no compelling evidence to support the use of detox diets for weight management or toxin elimination. Instead, focus on supporting your body's natural detox processes with healthy habits. Number 8. Eat foods high in prebiotics. Prebiotics are like food for the good bacteria in your gut. They help these bacteria thrive, which is important for your overall health and your body's natural detoxification processes. Foods high in prebiotics include tomatoes, artichokes, bananas, asparagus, onions, garlic, and oats. Healthline states that a good balance of bacteria keeps your digestive system healthy and can improve your body's ability to detoxify. Number 9. Decrease your alcohol intake. Your liver is the main organ responsible for detoxifying your body, and alcohol consumption can significantly impair its function. Limiting or avoiding alcohol is one of the best ways to keep your body's detoxification system running strong. Healthline explains that excessive drinking can severely damage your liver's function by causing fat buildup, inflammation, and scarring. Number 10. Increase your intake of foods rich in sulfur. Sulfur-rich foods like garlic, broccoli, and onions enhance the excretion of heavy metals like cadmium. Including these foods in your diet can support your body's natural detoxification processes. Healthline notes that sulfur is important for the function of certain enzymes involved in detoxification. Number 11. Try dry brushing your skin. Dry brushing involves using a natural bristle brush to gently exfoliate your skin before showering. This practice is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a role in removing toxins from your body. While scientific evidence is limited, some people find dry brushing invigorating and beneficial for their skin's appearance. Number 12. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and increase oxygen flow throughout your body. This supports overall health and aids in the removal of toxins. Incorporating practices like yoga or meditation can help you develop deep breathing techniques. Number 13. Spend time in nature. Spending time outdoors, especially in green spaces, can reduce stress and exposure to environmental pollutants. Activities like walking in the park or gardening can improve your mental and physical well-being, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Number 14. Use natural cleaning products. Reducing exposure to chemicals in household cleaners can lessen the toxin load on your body. Opt for natural cleaning products or make your own using ingredients like vinegar and baking soda to maintain a healthier living environment. Number 15. Enjoy a sauna session. Sweating is one way your body removes toxins. Using a sauna can promote sweating and help eliminate waste products through your skin. Always stay hydrated and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any sauna therapy. Number 16. Add probiotics to your diet. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Consuming foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can introduce these good bacteria into your system, aiding digestion and supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Number 17. Get regular massages. Massages can improve circulation and stimulate the lymphatic system, helping your body remove toxins more effectively. Regular massages can also reduce stress, which supports overall health. Number 18. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This practice can give your digestive system a break and may support cellular repair processes. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Number 19. Use herbs and spices. Incorporating herbs and spices like turmeric, cilantro, and dandelion root into your diet can support liver function and enhance detoxification. These natural ingredients have been used traditionally to promote health and well-being. Number 20. Maintain a positive mindset. A positive mindset can influence your overall health. Practices like gratitude journaling, mindfulness, and connecting with loved ones can reduce stress and support your body's natural ability to heal and detoxify. And there you have it. In just one day, you can help your body's natural detox systems work even more efficiently by drinking plenty of water, eating antioxidant-rich foods, and getting enough sleep. These simple habits can go a long way in making you feel better and keeping your body running at its best. Remember, your body is amazing, and it's always working hard to take care of you. So by supporting it with healthy choices, you can give it a little extra help to do its job. Thanks for watching and supporting your superhero body. Before you go, I want you to think about one thing. What small change can you make today to start helping your body detox? Is it drinking more water or maybe cutting back on sugar? Whatever it is, take that first step. And if you want more tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you never miss an update, and check out the links in the description for the studies we mentioned. We've got plenty more ways to help you feel your best, so stick with us. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay smart, and most of all, stay healthy.